Welcome to Study with Bhadra.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very interesting and meaningful story from our Hindi textbook, Part 2, Do Gauraya, written by Bhishma Sahni. This story may seem simple at first. It's about sparrows, pigeons, rats, and even bats. But it actually teaches us something very important: how humans share their space with animals and how we learn kindness and connection through nature. Let's now read the lesson line by line and I'll explain each part in English so you fully understand. घर में हम 3 ही व्यक्ति रहते हैं, माँ, पिताजी और मैं. Only 3 people live in our house: mother, father, and I. This line introduces the narrator's small family. पर पिताजी कहते हैं कि यह घर सराय बना हुआ है. But father says that this house has turned into a guest house. Sarai means a place where many people, or in this case, animals, come and go. हम तो जैसे यहाँ मेहमान हैं, घर की मालिक तो कोई दूसरे ही है. We feel like guests and it seems like others are the real owners. The father is frustrated that so many animals live there that he doesn't feel like the owner anymore. आंगन में आम का पेड़ है, तरह तरह की पक्षी उस पर ढेरा ढाले रहते हैं. There's a mango tree in the courtyard. Many different birds live on it. The house is surrounded by nature. Birds have made the mango tree their home. जो भी पक्षी पहाड़ियों खाड़ियों पर से उड़ते हुए दिल्ली पहुंचते हैं, पिताजी कहते हैं वही सीधा हमारे घर पहुंच जाते हैं, जैसे हमारे घर का पता लिखवा कर लाया हो. Meaning, any bird that reaches Delhi seems to fly straight to our house as if it has our address. The exaggeration shows father's frustration and the storyteller's humor. Imagine birds carrying tiny address slips. यहाँ कभी तोते पहुंच जाते हैं तो कभी कौवे और तरह तरह की गौरैया. Sometimes parrots appear, sometimes crows, sometimes many kinds of sparrows. Each bird brings its own sound and color, turning the courtyard into a living aviary. वह शोर मचता है कि कानों के पर्दे पड़ जाए, पर लोग कहते हैं कि पक्षी गा रहे हैं. The noise is too loud enough to break eardrums, yet people say, "Oh, the birds are singing." A gentle poke at how we romanticize nature, even when it keeps us from resting. घर के अंदर भी यही हाल है. Inside the house, the scene is the same. The chaos is not limited to the art. It spills right into every room. बीसियों तो चूहे बसते हैं. Dozens of mice live here. The home is now a mice metropolis, hinging at nightly adventures. रात भर एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में भागते फिरते हैं. All night they race from one room to another. Picture tiny marathon runs on squeaky feet, never letting the family sleep. वह धमा चौकड़ी मचती है कि हम लोग ठीक तरह से सो भी नहीं पाती. They keep running around and create so much chaos that we are not able to sleep properly. बर्तन गिरते हैं, ढिप्पे खुलते हैं, प्याले ढूंढते हैं. Pots fall, tins open, cups break. With every crash, the narrator shows How animals affect daily life and property. एक चूहा अंकीड़ी के पीछे बैठना पसंद करता है. शायद बूढ़ा है, उसे सर्दी बहुत लगती है. One mouse likes to sit behind the hearth. Maybe he's old and feels cold. Human-like details makes the mouse feel like a quirky neighbor, not pest. एक दूसरा है जैसे बाथरूम की टंकी पर बैठना पसंद है. उसे शायद गर्मी बहुत लगती है. Another mouse prefers the bathroom tank. Maybe he feels too warm. Every mice have personal comfort zones, adding comic personality. बिल्ली हमारे घर में रहती तो नहीं, मगर घर उसे भी पसंद है और वह कभी कभी जाग जाते हैं. A cat doesn't live with us, but she likes the house and peeps in now and then. The cat is a casual visitor, like a relative who drops by only for snacks.
Subscribe now to watch the full video.